So I had a go.
Well, who here would like to see Rowan's lap? Yeah. Let's play the tape. Let's have a look. A chirp like you were using launch control.
Okie dokie. There we go.
You look a bit nervous, if I may say.
Yeah, I see.
Oh, wide line like a Formula One driver through there. And wide on the way out as well, looking smooth.
Hopeless, hopeless, hopeless.
Yes, now here we are into the hammerhead, keeping it between the lines. Obviously, the slower you appear to be going, and that does appear to be very slow indeed, sometimes the faster it is. Oh, that doesn't look too bad. But what do you think from inside?
Yes. Up to the rev limiter. Good, good, good.
You really weren't pleased with any part of this, were you? Obviously flat through there, yeah.
See, not so good there.
Come on, cheer up. Yeah, that's nicely done. And, oh, I say, keeping it very tight on the runway. That's a new interesting line. Second to last corner, that is beautifully handled. And Gambon, no drama, no histrionics, across the line. Well, there's the board. Where do you think you might have come?
Who's at the very top?
The man at the very top is
John
John
Bishop,
Bishop, the northern comedian, followed by Ross Noble, the northern comedian.
Yeah. Well, I was born in the north, so maybe.
Well, of course you're from the same neck of the woods as Ross Noble as well.
I'm indeed.
So you're looking at the top. You have that.
Oh, no.
expectation.
Yeah, exactly. One looks up there, but there's absolutely no reason why I should be there. It would be. I felt as though I did okay, but not great. That's